When my sponsor Keysfan.com reached out to me and let me know that they're actually going to be switching websites because of some issues, I was a little bit skeptical. Today, we're going to go ahead and test the new website Keysworlds.com, with of course the same sponsor being Keysfan.com, just a sister website. Keysfan.com was recently having some issues in terms of their checkout, and I believe their code as well for the discount, and they're now at Keysworlds.com. Same sponsor, same parent company, but a little bit cheaper. It's now so much easier to purchase a key using only one code, being BEZ25, which will give you 25% off Windows and Office licenses. So yes, this video is sponsored. No, I'm not getting this key for free. No, they didn't ask me to do this. And no, they did not pay me extra to test this key. This is coming from my own pocket. We're actually going to run through properly and see if this key is still legit as well as this website. Let's test them out and see if Keysworlds.com is any good. Keysworlds.com is currently running their Christmas sale, and you already know, by using code BEZ25 you'll get 25% off Windows and Office licenses. They also offer LTSC Windows licenses, which is a little bit more of a specialized thing for industrial systems compared to everyday usage, but I have seen some people use it for non-bloatware Windows if you want for gaming. And hey, if you're into that, they have those keys available for you as well. It's good to see that they still have a variety of offerings for their products. Let's take a look at the purchasing process. Heading over to Keysworlds.com, link in the description, let's pick what we want. Windows 11 Professional. We add it to cart, then apply BEZ25 for 25% off the Windows 11 license. Then head over to the checkout, and Keysworlds.com has a few more payment methods than Keysfan.com, but lucky enough, they still have secure payment methods like PayPal. So I paid through PayPal and waited around about 10 minutes or so, and boom, the key is ready to go. I'm glad the service is the same as before and the process was really easy to buy the key. Now let's see if the key actually works. This is usually where things go a little bit wrong with some dodgy sites. You know, you paste in the key, hit activate, and nothing happens. Or there's an error on Windows. Let's load up Windows and see if that happens. Cool, easy enough. Paste in the code, and it's good to go. Happy to say that our key from Keysworlds.com is working and actually activated Windows. So no bull, and it works. Let's have a check of what type of Windows key this actually is. And funny enough, it's a retail license, which is really surprising. They usually only give OEM keys out, which means you can't move the key around from PC to PC, but with this retail key, you actually can. So if I wanted to, I can move this retail key from this PC to another and we'll be good to go. A bit of luck here and a bonus with this key, but please do keep in mind they are only supposed to be OEM keys. Now I am testing their customer support as well here, and it's a little bit late guys, to be honest. It's about 2 weeks in between when I actually purchased the key and when I am testing their customer support today. So let's see what their response time is for saying the key is not working anymore, and see if their customer response is actually responsive and if it's any good. Cool. They responded quickly, and I'm glad to say that their customer service is still responsive. It's really good to see, and I'm happy to say that Keysworlds.com is on the same high service level that Keysfan.com was on, and if you use code BEZ25, you'll receive 25% off their Windows licenses as well as their Office licenses for you to enjoy this holiday. And just to be clear, this is exactly how I treat sponsors on this channel. I mean, they are the first, but if something doesn't work, I'll say it. If the checkout is bad, I'll say it. And in this experience, it was basically the same as Keysfan.com. So I'm happy to say it was a little bit smoother this time and a little bit cheaper, which is honestly really all that I want, and making sure that the key actually works. So whether you're that guy that still has the watermark on his screen, or you happen to be rich and building a new PC in this time, head over to Keysworlds.com for cheaper Windows and Office licenses. I'll see you guys there at Keysworlds.com for cheaper Windows keys.